Drastic, Mellanox, and NVIDIA have combined the FlowCaster and Rivermax technologies to create Software 2110 output for Avid, Adobe, and Resolve. Configuring Adobe products is easy. Go to Edit, Preferences, and Playback. This will bring up the Playback Preference panel. FlowCaster should be the selected video device and the selected audio device. Clicking on the Setup link will bring up FlowCaster's configuration. For Rivermax, it needs to be set to 2110. There are many other output options for other workflows as well, including SRT, RTP, RTMP, and WebRTC. Most of the other options on this panel are only used for the other workflows. For 2110, you can optionally add a watermark to the output and/or burn in timecode. There's also a selection that allows up to 16 audio channels to be sent. Specifically for Adobe, there's also a Play Audio Locally button that allows the editor to hear the audio out from their PCs while still sending it out via 2110. Normally, the 2110 flows will be configured with NMOS or SDP files. FlowCaster also provides a manual override. Here you can set the video, audio, and ancillary flows, as well as select and check your PTP clock. Once configured, FlowCaster acts like any other video board, playing out audio, video, and ANC, pausing and seeking, all within 1 or 2 frames of latency. The Rivermax software uses the Bluefield 2 hardware PTP and Firefly time service container to support the strict timing required for SMPTE 2110, narrow and wide sender. FlowCaster for Avid Media Composer uses the OpenIO standard to emulate a video output board. To configure it, right-click the Hardware Software button on the right of the timeline. Click the FlowCaster and then Select Menu to select it. Click the FlowCaster and then Configure menu to bring up the configuration dialog. For FlowCaster Rivermax, SMPTE 2110 needs to be selected. There are other options available for other workflows. The setup dialog allows for audio channel selection, optional watermarking, and timecode burn-in. Configuration of the flows will mostly be done by NMOS or SDP file, but FlowCaster also includes a manual configuration dialog. Here you can set your audio, video, and ancillary flows, as well as select and check your PTP sources. Once configured, FlowCaster acts like any other video board, sending out 2110 audio, video, and ancillary data with a maximum of 2 frames latency. The FlowCaster plugin system is available from www.flowcaster.com.